Hey, it's Chris and Matt and Doug back at Goodwill. Here's my box of donations. We're gonna go through it right now. Chris, open that box.
I'm scared.
This is unboxing. This is the best part of going through donations.
All right.
From the old bar.
Yeah, Coca-Cola, vintage, I like it.
They call me the human metronome, but I keep such good time I don't need this anymore.
I'm still confused why you have this in your house.
To keep time, Doug. Playoff run time. I upgraded, but this is still a great hat.
Hey, supporting the city.
Backup camera. I know modern vehicles have it, some don't. I got a new vehicle, so time to get rid of that.
These are some high-end items, Matt.
Ooh. Here, this is for you.
The boa.
Doug the snake right
The
here.
boa, I like it.
Okay, hey, support our university sports. Little Golden Bears.
U of A.
And hey, it is the weekend. It's time for a cocktail. How many stores do you have, Doug?
We have 5.
Okay, all right, and don't forget,
Goodwill.ab.ca.